Magic in the air. Oh, yes. M for MM. Yes, you heard it right. Meant for more money. Simple formula for making more and more money, attracting more and more wealth in our life. Formula. When we talk about formula, you see around you there is formula for everything. For keeping your food stuff preserved, we have a fridge. Fridge is a formula. For keeping our clothes intact and other valuables intact, Almira is a formula. For washing my clothes, washing machine is a simple formula. For talking to any of my friends, phone is a formula. So why not to have a formula for attracting more and more wealth, for making more and more money in our life? Yes, I do my research and I got a 4-step easy formula for making more money in our life. But before we talk about that, let's talk about what do we feel when we talk about money. I know, I understand when I ask anyone that what do you feel about money? So most of us have the feeling of frustration, lack, I don't have enough, I'm scared. Making money is difficult, it's tough, what it is. These all are the feelings, and it's good if you have feeling about money. Any feeling can be any. It can be good, it can be bad, it can be at low frequency, it can be at high frequency, but you have a feeling. It's good when you have this feeling of struggle, lack, difficulty. You have some emotions, and these feelings and emotions are your belief system. So when you know at what belief system you are working, what do you need to do? You simply need to do the cleanup. Cleanup can be done with a simple formula, M for MM. Now the thing is, cleanup. Why do we need cleanup? Simple. If your room is dirty, it's messy, you need to clean up, only then you can sit. If your table is not well organized, what you do? You need to do the cleanup, only then the things will be organized and you can work better. Same way, if you have something with your emotions that is not clean, unless and until you clean those emotions, you clean up with those feelings, how can you have the new feelings and emotions? So same thing is happening for money. If we are having the mixed feelings of lack, feelings of struggle, feelings of afraid, we cannot come back with the feelings of abundance unless and until we do the cleanup. Now the question arises, who will do this cleanup? For this cleanup, there is a simple magical formula, M for MM, that is meant for more money. Is a simple Hawaiian prayer, popularly known as Ho'oponopono prayer, which is having 4 phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now you will have a question, how by saying these 4 phrases I can increase my money frequency? Question is valid. But the answer is also simple and easy. When you say I'm sorry, you are saying sorry to universe, to yourself, for creating all those negative thoughts, feelings, emotions and behavior for money. Please forgive me for having all these data, for having all these negative thoughts and emotions for money in my life. Thank you so much. We are being grateful, we are giving the gratitude to universe that thank you so much for realizing me that yes, these emotion feelings I don't need in my life. I love you universe, for giving me this consciousness that yes, I need to do the cleanup, and when cleanup is done with all these feelings, only then I can generate the higher frequencies to attract more money in my life. Let's practice a simple statement. I feel that with this practice you may realize what I want to say. So if I simply ask you, making money is difficult, you will say yes, making money is difficult, life is difficult. Is it true? So first phrase comes here, I'm sorry for having this feeling that life is difficult, making money is difficult. Please forgive me universe, for having this emotion, feelings, this kind of thought that money making is difficult, life is difficult. But how? Thank you universe for giving me this awareness that life is easy. But what is life? Life is breathing. And what is breathing? Breathing is inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Have you ever think of this process, inhaling and exhaling? It's so simple and it's so effortless that you are not using any extra powers, you are not using any extra brain for inhaling and exhaling. And this inhaling and exhaling process is creating life. It is the basis of existence of our life. So when breathing is easy, what does it mean? Life is easy. Life is breathing. Breathing is easy. That means life is easy. X is equal to Y. Y is equal to Z. So thank you, universe, for giving me this awareness. I love you so much for making my life easy. Let's repeat it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for feeling life is difficult. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for having this negative thought that life is difficult, making money is difficult. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me realize that life is breathing. Breathing is easy. So life is easy. Making money is easy. I love you. I love you, universe, for all this abundance of knowledge, information, and awareness. If you feel aligned with this exercise with me and you want to do more practices, then quickly fill the form in the description and connect with me for more practices. Till then, take care. Magic in the air.